Welcome. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence can help you learn a new language 3 times faster. Imagine being able to hold conversations, understand movies, and travel with confidence, all in record time. With the right AI tools and strategies, this is more achievable than ever. In this video, we'll break down the most effective ways to harness AI for language learning, from personalized practice to real-time feedback. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to polish your skills, these tips will help you accelerate your progress and make learning enjoyable. Let's get started on your journey to mastering a new language with the power of AI. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized language learning by offering personalized, adaptive experiences. Unlike traditional methods, AI tools analyze your strengths and weaknesses, tailoring lessons to your unique needs. This means you spend less time on what you already know and more time improving where it counts. AI can also simulate real-life conversations and provide instant corrections, making practice more effective. With these advantages, you can progress much faster than with textbooks or standard classes. Let's explore how these AI-driven features work and why they're so effective for rapid language acquisition. One of the biggest benefits of using AI for language learning is the ability to create personalized learning paths. AI platforms assess your current skill level through quizzes and interactive exercises, then design a curriculum that fits your goals and pace. This means you're not wasting time on material that's too easy or too difficult. Instead, every lesson is just right for you, keeping you motivated and challenged. As you progress, the AI continuously updates your learning plan, ensuring you're always working on the most relevant skills. This targeted approach is a key reason why AI can help you learn up to 3 times faster. Immediate feedback is crucial for effective learning, and AI excels in this area. When you practice speaking or writing, AI-powered apps can instantly correct your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. This helps you avoid repeating mistakes and reinforces correct usage right away. Unlike waiting for a teacher's review, you get corrections on the spot, making your practice sessions much more productive. Over time, this real-time feedback accelerates your improvement and builds your confidence in using the language in real situations. Practicing conversations is one of the fastest ways to become fluent. AI chatbots and virtual tutors are available 24/7, allowing you to practice speaking and listening whenever you want. These AI partners can simulate real-life scenarios, from ordering food to making travel arrangements. They adapt to your responses, making conversations feel natural and engaging. This constant access to practice helps you build confidence and fluency much faster than waiting for scheduled classes or language partners. AI-powered speech recognition is a game-changer for language learners. These tools listen to your pronunciation and compare it to native speakers, highlighting areas for improvement. You can repeat phrases and receive instant feedback, helping you sound more natural and confident. Over time, this technology helps you fine-tune your accent and intonation, making your spoken language skills much stronger. With regular use, you'll notice significant improvements in how you speak and understand the new language. Building a strong vocabulary is essential for language mastery. AI apps use spaced repetition algorithms to help you remember new words more effectively. These systems track which words you struggle with and review them more often, ensuring they stick in your memory. You'll also encounter words in different contexts, making it easier to recall and use them naturally. This smart approach to vocabulary learning saves time and boosts your retention, helping you progress faster. Grammar can be one of the trickiest parts of learning a new language. AI-powered platforms break down complex grammar rules into simple, interactive lessons. They provide instant corrections and explanations when you make mistakes, helping you understand the logic behind the rules. Over time, you'll develop a strong grasp of grammar without feeling overwhelmed. This step-by-step approach, combined with immediate feedback, makes mastering grammar much more manageable and efficient. Listening is a vital skill for language learners, and AI can help you improve quickly. AI-driven apps offer a variety of listening exercises, from podcasts to dialogues, tailored to your level. They can slow down audio, highlight key phrases, and quiz you on what you've heard. This targeted practice helps you understand native speakers and pick up on nuances, making real-world conversations much easier. With consistent listening practice, your comprehension will soar. Reading is another core skill, and AI can make it more engaging. AI-powered reading tools select articles, stories, and news at your level, highlighting new vocabulary and offering instant translations. You can click on unfamiliar words to see definitions and hear pronunciations. This interactive approach keeps you motivated and helps you build reading skills quickly. Over time, you'll find it easier to read and understand complex texts in your new language. Writing in a new language can be daunting, but AI makes it easier. AI writing assistants review your text for grammar, vocabulary, and style, offering suggestions for improvement. You can practice writing emails, essays, or even social media posts, receiving instant feedback each time. This helps you develop a natural writing style and avoid common mistakes. With regular practice, your writing skills will improve rapidly, making you a more confident communicator. AI-powered language apps often use gamification to keep you engaged. You'll earn points, unlock levels, and compete with friends as you progress. These game-like features make learning fun and motivate you to practice regularly. The AI tracks your performance and adjusts the difficulty to keep you challenged. This combination of fun and personalized learning helps you stay consistent, which is key to rapid progress. Reviewing what you've learned is crucial for retention. AI systems schedule review sessions based on your performance, focusing on areas where you need the most practice. This adaptive approach ensures you don't forget important concepts and helps reinforce your memory. By targeting your weak spots, AI makes your study time more efficient and effective, speeding up your overall progress. Understanding culture is a big part of language learning. AI tools can introduce you to cultural content like music, movies, and news from your target language. By interacting with authentic materials, you gain insights into customs, humor, and everyday expressions. This cultural immersion makes learning more meaningful and helps you use the language naturally in real-life situations. Staying motivated is easier when you can see your progress. AI-powered apps track your achievements, from vocabulary learned to speaking milestones. You'll receive regular reports and badges, helping you celebrate your successes. This visual feedback keeps you motivated and encourages you to keep pushing forward, making your language journey more rewarding. Flashcards are a classic tool for memorizing vocabulary, and AI makes them even smarter. AI-powered flashcard apps adjust the frequency of cards based on how well you remember each word. Difficult words appear more often, while easy ones are reviewed less. This efficient system helps you master vocabulary faster and ensures long-term retention. Perfecting your pronunciation is easier with AI. Advanced speech analysis tools break down your speech and show you exactly where to improve. You can listen to native speakers, mimic their pronunciation, and get instant feedback on your accuracy. This focused practice helps you sound more natural and be understood more easily by native speakers. AI translation tools are incredibly useful for learners. With a quick scan or tap, you can translate words, sentences, or even entire documents. This helps you understand new material and communicate more effectively. Over time, you'll rely less on translations as your skills improve, but these tools are a great support in the early stages. AI tutors act like personal coaches, guiding you through your language journey. They set goals, monitor your progress, and suggest activities to keep you on track. If you're struggling, they offer encouragement and extra practice. This personalized support makes learning less overwhelming and helps you stay focused on your goals. Many AI language platforms include social features, connecting you with other learners worldwide. You can join study groups, participate in challenges, and practice with peers. These communities provide motivation, support, and opportunities for real conversation. Learning with others makes the process more enjoyable and helps you stay accountable. Consistency is key to language learning. AI apps send daily reminders and set personalized goals to keep you on track. These gentle nudges help you build a habit of regular practice, which is essential for rapid progress. Over time, daily practice becomes second nature, and you'll see steady improvement. AI can create immersive experiences by simulating real-world environments. Virtual reality and augmented reality tools let you practice language skills in lifelike settings, such as markets, airports, or restaurants. This hands-on practice helps you apply what you've learned and prepares you for real-life interactions, making your learning more practical and memorable. AI doesn't just correct your mistakes, it helps you understand why you made them. Detailed error analysis shows patterns in your errors and offers targeted exercises to address them. This deep understanding helps you avoid repeating mistakes and accelerates your progress. The more you learn from your errors, the faster you'll improve. Staying motivated is easier with AI-driven reward systems. You'll earn badges, unlock achievements, and receive positive feedback as you reach milestones. These rewards keep you engaged and make learning feel like a game. The sense of accomplishment you get from reaching your goals encourages you to keep going, even when things get challenging. Everyone's language goals are different, and AI lets you customize your learning experience. You can set specific goals, like passing a test, traveling, or holding a conversation. The AI then tailors your lessons and practice activities to help you reach those goals efficiently. This personalized approach keeps you focused and makes your learning more relevant. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, AI adapts to your level. Beginners get simple, supportive lessons, while advanced learners tackle complex topics and real-world challenges. This flexibility ensures that everyone can benefit from AI, no matter where they are on their language journey. AI makes it easy to integrate language learning into your daily routine. You can practice during your commute, while cooking, or even before bed. Mobile apps and smart devices let you fit short, effective sessions into any schedule. This convenience helps you stay consistent and make steady progress, no matter how busy you are. AI can recommend movies, music, and games in your target language, turning entertainment into a learning opportunity. By enjoying content you love, you'll pick up new words and phrases naturally. This approach keeps learning fun and helps you absorb the language in context, making it easier to remember and use. AI helps you make the most of your study time by suggesting the best times to practice. It analyzes your habits and recommends optimal study sessions, ensuring you learn when you're most alert and focused. This smart scheduling boosts your efficiency and helps you retain more information in less time. With AI, you have instant access to a wealth of resources. Dictionaries, grammar guides, and practice materials are always at your fingertips. You can quickly look up words, review rules, or find exercises tailored to your needs. This easy access removes barriers and keeps your learning momentum going strong. AI collects data on your learning habits and progress, providing insights into what works best for you. You'll see which activities help you learn fastest and where you need more practice. This data-driven approach helps you fine-tune your study plan and achieve your goals more efficiently. It's common to hit a plateau in language learning, but AI can help you break through. By analyzing your progress, AI identifies areas where you're stuck and suggests new strategies or materials. This targeted support helps you overcome obstacles and keeps your learning journey moving forward. Practicing with AI provides a safe, judgment-free environment. You can make mistakes, try new things, and learn at your own pace without fear of embarrassment. This supportive atmosphere encourages you to take risks and experiment, which is essential for rapid language growth. Regular assessments are key to tracking your progress. AI-powered tests evaluate your skills in vocabulary, grammar, listening, and speaking. The results help you see where you've improved and what needs more work. This ongoing assessment ensures you're always moving forward and making the most of your study time. AI-powered mobile apps let you learn anywhere, anytime. Whether you're on the bus, waiting in line, or taking a break, you can fit in quick practice sessions. This flexibility helps you make the most of every spare moment and keeps your language skills sharp. AI recommends content that matches your interests and learning needs. Whether you love sports, cooking, or travel, you'll find articles, videos, and podcasts in your target language. This personalized content keeps you engaged and helps you learn vocabulary and expressions relevant to your life. AI platforms support dozens of languages, making it easy to switch between them or learn multiple languages at once. The technology adapts to each language's unique features, ensuring you get accurate, effective instruction no matter which language you choose. Consistency is the secret to rapid language learning. AI helps you build routines, track your streaks, and celebrate your dedication. By practicing a little every day, you'll see steady improvement and reach your language goals much faster than with sporadic study. Many learners hesitate to speak for fear of making mistakes. AI chatbots and virtual tutors provide a safe space to practice speaking without judgment. You can repeat phrases, try new expressions, and build confidence before using the language with real people. This practice is invaluable for overcoming anxiety and becoming a fluent speaker. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, and AI helps you turn them into opportunities. By analyzing your errors and providing targeted feedback, AI ensures you learn from each mistake. This process helps you improve faster and develop a deeper understanding of the language. To maximize your results, combine different AI tools. Use chatbots for conversation, flashcards for vocabulary, and speech recognition for pronunciation. This integrated approach covers all language skills and keeps your learning balanced. By leveraging the strengths of each tool, you'll accelerate your progress and enjoy a richer learning experience. Long-term motivation is crucial for language mastery. AI helps by setting new challenges, offering rewards, and connecting you with supportive communities. These features keep you engaged and excited about learning, making it easier to stick with your language goals over time. Seeing your progress is incredibly motivating. AI tracks your growth in all areas: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. You'll receive detailed reports and visual charts, helping you celebrate your achievements and set new goals. This ongoing feedback keeps you focused and inspired to keep learning. AI is transforming the way we learn languages, making it faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. By embracing these new tools and strategies, you can achieve fluency in a fraction of the time. The future of language learning is here, and it's powered by AI. Get ready to unlock your full potential and communicate with the world like never before. Now that you know how AI can help you learn a new language 3 times faster, it's time to take action. Choose an AI-powered language app that fits your needs, set clear goals, and start practicing every day. Remember, consistency and smart use of technology are the keys to rapid progress. With AI as your guide, you'll be speaking a new language with confidence in no time. Good luck on your language learning journey.